Ross and Smith Island, located in North Andaman's Ariel Bay, is a captivating destination in India known for its pristine beauty. Here are some key details and highlights about this enchanting place. Cost. The cost to visit Ross and Smith Island is 1,500 Indian rupees per person, with a minimum charge of 4,000 Indian rupees per boat. Forest Pass. Visitors are required to obtain a forest pass to access the island. Travel time. The journey from the jetty to Ross and Smith Island typically takes around 20 to 25 minutes by boat. Best time to visit. The recommended time to visit the island is between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Unique feature. Ross and Smith Island is renowned for having one of the cleanest water beaches in India. It has a distinctive sand path that emerges during low tide, connecting Ross and Smith Islands. This sand path is approximately 300 meters wide and 500 meters long. However, during high tide, the sand path is submerged in saltwater. Scenic beauty. Despite some environmental concerns, Ross and Smith Island offer breathtaking views. On one side, you can experience the rough seas, while on the other side, there is relatively shallow water, where you might spot sea turtles. Location. The islands are situated in North Andaman, specifically in Ariel Bay. Accessibility. While it's quite a distance from Port Blair, Ross and Smith Island are well worth the visit. To reach the islands, you need to travel to Diglipur. From there, head to Ariel Bay Jetty and obtain permits for boarding the ferry to both Ross and Smith Islands. It's a half-day trip, and you must return from the islands by 2 p.m., so it's advisable to start early from Ariel Bay. Tide chart. Checking the tide chart before your visit is essential. The best time to explore the sandbar and reach Ross Island is during low tide. Wildlife Sanctuary. Ross Island is a wildlife sanctuary maintained by the Wildlife Division of the Forest Department, making it a unique and protected natural area. Ross and Smith Island are indeed hidden gems of India, offering a mesmerizing experience for those who venture to this remote part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands.